We're your local handyman, the Handyman Leatherman, here to talk about guttering. Do you need guttering, but you can't afford to have seamless guttering put in? Well, let's show you how to just use some guttering that we got for free, which you could buy at any big box store, and put it together yourself. It only took us about an hour. So let me show you what we got. Alright, you see all this guttering that was given me by a good friend. He ripped it all off his house because he was having new guttering put on. And I said, I'll take it, because I wanted to help out another friend who was having water problems. So we ran a chalk line down the whole length of the back porch so we could have a way to gauge our drop. You see right here, it's dropped almost 2 inches. Now we're going to start putting clips in, and then we can lock the gutter in. So we siliconed all around, slid the gutter into the other one about 1 inch. Then we used self-tapping screws and screwed it all together. So that way water, if anything comes back, hopefully it won't leak. Now we're ready for another gutter. Boy, that went together a lot better than the other one. Now I just put screws in it. These are stainless steel Phillips screws, 1/2 inch, that I used on the cargo trailer when I put the ceiling in. You have to go back and watch that video. They're working good for this. There's your gutter. It sticks out a little bit, but that's okay. It'll catch all the water. You can see by the, it's like almost a little ditch right here where the water used to pour off the roof and then used to come across her back porch toward the house. That's why she had to sandbag. But no more. We've got gutters up for her. Now we're going to get the downspouts and connect them to this end. We ran it off this side of the house. That way, because it's ground's going down over here, it'd be better. Okay, so we found some pieces for the drain. It tapers down. I know it's kind of hokey, but it's going to keep this back porch from flooding. And we've ran all these. We slid the outside over the other piece to where it didn't slow it down with water. It's really looking good. And you can see the gutter that we did over there. Boy, it looks really nice. Well, we got that done for you guys today. It's really fun. It wasn't that hard. You could do it yourself too. So be creative. And remember, jack of all trades, master of none is better than the master of one. We want to be creative, and we want to keep doing things to help ourselves and to help our friends out. That's what I'm doing here today. We all need to pitch in to keep everything going. You guys take care. Stay out of trouble.